This is a quick demonstration to walk through capabilities offered through Databricks to consume foundation models. So in this page, Databricks goes through what are some of the model offerings they have that can be consumed through Databricks. So how do we consume these services? So essentially you can have a client application that can talk to the Databricks AI gateway. And then by leveraging the Databricks AI gateway, we can go ahead and consume frontier models through the Databricks service. Now, Databricks service is available to be hosted on Azure. So if I switch to my Azure environment, what we can see here is how I have created an Azure Databricks instance. So I have the instance running in here. And then the Databricks environment also has a portal, so I can access the Databricks portal. And from here, what I can do is I can go in and have a look at what is available for me to go in and consume. So once I go into the Databricks environment, I have this AI ML section in here. So part of the AI ML tabs that are available, there is a servicing tab that's available. So what you can see here is all of the different models that are being offered through Databricks. So we have various models. So we have the Claude models, GPT, OSS models. We have the Quen models, Llama, and there's a few more other models that's available as well. Now, as I create a Databricks workspace, these models are ready to be consumed. So as an example, if I want to consume the Sonnet 4.5 model, I can go into the model, and this gives you an endpoint that you can interact with. It also gives you a bit of metrics, so you can also see if the model is being consumed. There is data that's available in terms of what's the token consumption, what is the latency, so you get some stats from here as well. Now there's multiple ways of consuming this model. So I can go in here and try it in the playground, and in the playground I can interact with this particular model. So again, sample prompt, what it's going to do is it's going to send this request to Sonnet 4.5, and then it's going to give me a response back. Now what I like is we can also use this with the Anthropic SDK. So if I go here and say I need to look at the API code, I can use Python to interact with this model. So I'll show that as an example as well. So moving into my VS Code environment. So essentially in here, I am using the Anthropic SDK, and using the Anthropic SDK, I can also provide the API endpoint towards the Databricks endpoint that I'm running. And then I can pass in my API token, and then I can interact with this particular model. So to give an example, I'm sending a user message saying define ARM computing in one sentence. And then when I execute this, what we should see is the response come back from the Databricks model. So yeah, so that's a quick demonstration to showcase how you can leverage Databricks and then utilize some of their foundation model offerings. And these model offerings can also be leveraged within your applications via the Databricks AI gateway.